Should you get a home inspection done prior to listing your home on the market? Now, in most cases, it's the buyer's responsibility to get the home inspection done. However, there are many benefits for the seller to have their property inspected prior to listing their home on the market. We don't always recommend this, but here's a couple of examples of why doing a home inspection prior to listing your home can save you a lot of money. Hi, I'm Katherine Zaw with eXp Realty. As a seller, you want to be aware of the condition of your property, and we don't want to have any unexpected costs come up that we were not aware of. Imagine getting a full price offer on your home only to have the buyers renegotiate their offer price after they perform their home inspection. They could request a price reduction of 2 or 3 times the money it would actually cost if the items were fixed prior to the listing. Now, think about it. If you don't agree with the buyers, the home will go back on the market and potentially costing you time and money. The idea of getting the home inspection done prior to going on the market is to help you avoid unexpected surprises that could financially hurt you later. We want you as the seller to be aware of any additional expenses that could possibly surprise you from the sale of your home. The 3 inspections we recommend are your standard customary inspections that the buyers would normally do. We recommend a home inspection, a termite inspection, and a roof inspection if you think your home needs it. In regards to the home inspection, it's helpful to make sure all of the health and safety items have been fixed, as well as Section 1 termite work. Section 1 means the home does have an infestation of termites. These are very common items that the buyers will request to be fixed prior to close of escrow or as a credit towards the sale. Knowing about these issues helps the sellers because they have more assurance they are actually going to close on the home and what they're truly going to net at closing. This gives the sellers peace of mind that the buyers won't ask for any unreasonable or outlandish repairs that don't really exist. Having inspections done prior also protects the seller if they have a replacement property to purchase and need every single penny out of the sale of their home to secure their new one. It also helps the buyer because they're more confident they're buying a sound home that is move-in ready condition. Also, there's further assurance that the loan will actually go through. To wrap it up, the seller, the buyer, and the lender have more confidence that the home is actually going to close. It keeps everyone safer during and after the closing process. Hi, I'm Katherine Zaw with eXp Realty. Thanks for watching and see you next time.